Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. I hope we posted lots of things yesterday, which as I show you here in Twitter. We will show you here in Twitter what's going on actually. Look at this one, guys. I hope we already posted yesterday. We buy from this area, and I will show you where he buy from 20 to 21. This is Ethereum. This is BTC where we buy from yesterday, but everything's we closed right now, and I think we have to follow this structures, which is I already posted in Twitter also. This one, this is the biggest EMR, which is we have to follow the investment. Always we read this retesting here. When they retest here, when they break down, it's going to be a bear market. If it's retreat from this one area was our 69 900 something, so we can see upside. So this structure is very important, we have to follow. But next things I will show you here, where is that level, what we can see here. Like see big pictures is exactly, it looks like mm, bearish. And if you see bigger trend line, which is we already crack, this is actually biggest trend line. I suppose that we have to follow this structures exactly, is to come here, take liquidations from 69, and like here, that gap here, like this area, is take like liquidations for maybe 59 can cross, and then boom. So that's the best option, 69 level and 68 level. This is a crucial levels to market can go from this area. For my opinion, if I use some EMA, which is last EMA in this area here, where is that? Let's close this area. I will show you where that's EMA here. This is actually for 74 73 level. If a little liquidations for 73, so we can add some quantity here. So this is actually the biggest structures. 3 EMA, it's already breakout. 2 EMA, retest this, and then also retest is break yesterday, even 85 level, and just need to wait for 74. And this is crucially level. This is very dangerous level, guys. So already break all of the EMAs. So I think we confused to what we need to do here, but still we have to wait for a bounce back, bigger bounce back. If you see any support level, which is we I use this one indicator. This was a great, but it's exactly for support level 82. We can see a little bit bounce back here if someone take any small trade from here to here, 84 retesting area, then come to here, this area. But I like to buy some 76 because this is trend line, which is always taking liquidations, and liquidations for third liquidations is important here. And that's we looks. And other one was like same one is 71 71 level. But simple is logic. It make be bigger liquidations is try to build up bigger liquidations to break every structure, every level. That's we have looking here, that's we are looking here. So let's it's just wait. It's a good options to wait. These are level here, this level here, approximately 69 and 66. And of course that is the best to buying area. And if you go on hour time frame, you will see clear pictures what is trying. This structures is exactly break. There's no retesting area, just going down slowly. Maybe can reach easily 77. So I think we already closed this trade, guys, because we already posted in Twitter, but we already closed. But we have to wait for some area here. I need to buy from 76, and other one we have to buy from the 69, which is we creative here little bits we have to buy from this area. And you can wait for liquidations, but of course possible to take 69 liquidations, but I think bigger movers comes here to 66. And well, third entries were like these areas, right? So we are out from this area right now. but we have to wait for three levels of 67, 76, another one 69, and other one was 64, 65, 66 level, which is bigger trend line. But make sure you keep your SL like 62 and 61. That's the your biggest SL2. We have to keep your SL very far. So let's go with the structures. What we are looking here, it's clear structure is totally bearish, guys. But for its overall, it's bullish. But it's we have to wait for some bigger corrections right now. So this is trade is already closed, guys, in a good losses. Yes, good losses. If you see the clear pattern, it's clear breakout, it's going slowly down. It's very difficult if you want to sell anyone here. Very dangerous. If you want to sell, you can wait a little bit back at for area, and you can sell from here to here if someone want to sell. And if you want to wait for a buying, you have to sell buying from if break that trend line and it's going inside again, but today is less very less volume. If inside and going up, you can buy from here. When they break this trend line and it's going up, that's the best time to be buying. Other one, I will talk about ETH. What is exactly going on? ETH is just make stupid things, but I will show you what is exactly is going on in ETH. It's very dangerous, guys. So let's talk about little bit ETH in a 4 day day time frame. If you see it, it's in the biggest range, guys. Biggest range means biggest support level. This is support level here. If you see, this is the biggest and biggest support level. If you see any trend line, because we always follow any good trend line, where is exactly its executions here in trend line. So always we try to break this trend line also, right? So actually this is not good for a long, because it's going to be a totally bearish, but I feel it's respect this trend line is going up. That's a good idea. If you want to see the any EMA, I will show you already break all of the EMA. Totally too much bearish. And that's look at this one also. And if you see these are support level, any good support level in day time frame, everything is be break. Everything is break already. But there's no options to any if anyone want to buy. But weekly, if I say weekly here, any resistance, any buying area, I will suggest this one area 15. And what is exactly, because it already break, it try to break this level. Maybe if break today, then we can hold it here, and which is good. We have to draw this support level, right? And if you see want to little liquidations about 1391, and just close it this one. So come again in 1 hour. What is exactly looks here? 1 hour. It's just make for me to get something, because yesterday already break, but it take from resistance level this area. But this is not good, guys. I think this is very bad. So already break this trend line, which is we are draw in time frame, bigger time frame. Already break this support level is crucial level, guys. So we have to delete this one because already this doesn't work. And trend line doesn't work also. You already break that trend line is going downside. So temporarily, if I see any temporarily things little bit we go bounce back, it's the best time to buy this area. This is the best time if you want to buy. This is the best time to be buying here, and little support we will take there here. Other one, if break this one, we have to wait for downside, guys. 15 is the last biggest support level. Will take the liquidations. But the last liquidations, this is 18 level, guys. This is the biggest liquidations also in the ETH 8167, and which is good to bounce back from here for little retest. Maybe we'll take retest and come down again, but we will keep always long. But if when they reach here, you can keep your trade in a CTC cost to go. It's all about depend on you. But I feel like market behave, always is falling. The trend line and it's pumped like this is the very important. So let's delete this one because it doesn't work, because the structure is already break. Even like that, it doesn't work, right? So if anything is doesn't work, you have to remove from your chart, right? So we are thinking it will be break upside, but it's totally downside market. So don't take any stupid trade here, because we already trade yesterday, but we already close also. But we are thinking about 15. This the biggest support level, or biggest support and death place is 900. If break this one level is going down and retesting and going down, that's totally will crash. So totally already crashed. Maybe ETH is already crashed. It has come. Look at this one. This is totally crash. Look at it. Already break all the levels. It's going back again same place, right? So it is nothing to have something, valuable things here for a buyers. It's nothing. This is only already finished. So this is the last level. This two levels is the best time to buying here and here. That's the good time. But let's see. We played good. We can see two more good volume, and if it's work good, it's everything is breakout. And if you see, everything is breakout, but let's we will take some support any year, weekly support for downside. So I will show you where you need to take the trade. This is our trade here. Buy limit always, because yesterday we already closed our trade in losses. This is actually your trade, and we have to wait for something here. This is other one is 1534. This is the next targets, which is we have to buy from this area. Was the best options. So make sure follow these questions, maybe follow these structures. And BTC's was the BTC was the same for us, especially it still is going downside, guys. Still is going downside. It's the best time to, if you have someone sell here, to keep cost to cost, and holding trade is 76. It's a very good trade for a seller, and it's going very nicely. It's going downside. There's no green candle in 1 hour time frame, and also 15 minutes. I would I should suggest in 15 minutes there is also there's nothing to be green candle, right? The simple is going downside. So don't we follow the structures, because what he making here and we have to follow. It did not break upside, of course we have to go downside, but it not take any liquidations because there is no volume. Simple and simple logic. Wait any rejections. Wait, these are levels. Maybe can last moment. This area. So this is very close to come these three levels here, and the pump again. So of course it's already break. If it's break this one level, of course it will break 78 level. There was a liquidations downside, right? So it's a simple. So make sure keep your buying from the liquidations. Where is the actual liquidation? There is the liquidation here. This is the liquidations here. So every trade you have to put where is the liquidations, right? ETH also is same. It's going good up. It's already break the bigger trend line. Again, it's going downside. That's the very dangerous situations, right? If you need to go follow these structures, is exactly what I posted here in Twitter. You can go there. See, this is actually working so many years. Yes, retest, they're going down and down. That's the things here. So actually, we have to follow this one. So let's talk about gold. What is exactly gold? In the gold right now, it's in a sideways. It's totally we have to follow little liquidations is already take from 89. Guys, simple. That's if break this level here. Remember 92, it will be go very low gold downside. So it is in level 29. It's a bigger level, guys. If still have holding 29 level upside, it's maybe a might be take a new high. But we have a keeping buying positions because it's totally high, and we accept this is was this high. We accept upside for like yeah, exactly for 9 29 56, 29 56. It can make new high exactly here. And we waited that level is we break here, even that actually. But it's so bearish from 29 27. If we break this one, we can hold for a long positions. If break that level, guys, 90, one, we can wait for retesting again upside for 90.97. Then we can see downside for 27,973. So these are the levels for in gold. So make sure remember gold if break these are levels going downside. Again he break 29 level downside. To take liquidation 2091 is fine, but if still holding 91, this is 91. If still holding 9091 downside, so it will be go very low. So make sure remember it's too much seller this area in 2930, but still have a holding seller these positions. That's why we have to focus on oil. I hope I already posted in oil, but it is the biggest. If I show you in this case, this is the weekly time frame. This is good time to invest, but if you have a good amount to keep buying, these are areas of buying positions here. I will wait for like liquidations sometime here and then pump because of a weekly support is here, right? So build up your quantity very slowly, then we can see in next move. So this is very important, guys. Other ones here, nifty simple structures is making like flag, and takes support from this area. If you see clear picture in weekly, but we are not going a weekly because it's too high risk. So let's talk about little bit. We just need to follow this pattern. We have to wait some, this is exactly is for resistance. We have to follow some here 22,900. We can sell from again downside to take some liquidations for 21,400. We have to, if take any liquidations from here, we can keep upside movement in nifty. So bank nifty also the same. So now bank nifty we have to wait for downside here, take some liquidations and some buyers quantity, and we can hold till 52.51 level. So make sure buy from the support level because we need to hit SL maximum people. Tesla already break bigger support level. You try to break the bigger support level. So this is the guys buying area. You can buy from there. Exactly. If I see the biggest trend line, I will show you where is that biggest trend line. So this is actually a biggest trend line in Tesla. I will show you. This is actually it's already break little, but there is support also. You can buy one. You can buy one here also. One can you can buy here. So I will mark here where you need to buy. This is the buying positions. You can build up your positions from this area. We'll wait for liquidations and completely going up. This is the good investment in Tesla also. Euro USD, which is I already posted in Twitter so many days before. If you follow these on things, I just make this pattern, guys. This is a very nice patterns. If you see, very nice patterns. So this is totally bullish pattern because I already posted. If break these are level, guys, market can boom. See how it's going market. So we already buy from this trend line and market. Look at this one market, how it's behave, how it's going. So make sure remember always wait for a bounce back. It's going up, guys. It's totally going up. So wait for this level and we can sell some quantity from here to here, and again we can wait for the highest level here. This the level here, right? ETH, I already told you, ETH is just have a dangerous point, very dangerous, still going downside. We don't want to see like there is any hope. But let's see tomorrow we can see lots of things in ETH. But other is additional point you can this add here. This point is additional, but sell we can't sell because of already is oversold. So how we can sell, right? So this is simple questions you need to ask with yourself. Thank you so much, guys. See you in next video. Follow the structures, follow these levels is important. Close your trade if you know things it's already breakout or not. See the levels. If it's not work, close. If it's work, hold it, do it in cost to cost, and then run. Just play the game, play your trade easily, and then see it. Thank you so much. See you next video. We can make next video for you.